This video tutorial I will explain spliterator method of arrays class which accept int array and start inclusive and end exclusive. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. Then I am calling spliterator method of arrays class and passing int array and start index as 0, which is this position, and end index as 4, which is this position, and start index is inclusive and end index is exclusive, and this method returns spliterator for the array elements. Then I am calling try split method of spliterator, and this method returns spliterator covering some portion of the elements. Then I am displaying the content of spliterator 1 and spliterator 2. Here is the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.